simple. So this is I'm doing it on F sharp. So I'm playing. I'm playing 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Then again 1, 2, 1, 5, 5, 5, 4, 1. Just that simple. So it's 1. 1, 2, 1, 4. Then 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 2, 1. So it's 1, 2, 1, 4. Then 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 4, 1. Simple. So again, in the key of F sharp, that is F sharp we are using. So I'm just playing 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 4, 1. Very simple. So simple.